Hi, welcome to our channel Digital Era 21st Century. In this video, we are going to see how to create a video file using Filmora. Hope this will help you to create videos for your YouTube channel. Come on, let's see. Just click the Filmora button. Now the application is getting opened. So there are two aspect ratios in this. One is 4:3, the other is 16:9. Select the desired aspect ratio which you want. Okay, now I am going with 16:9. Then there are two features, that one is easy mode, one is full feature mode. Let's go with the full feature mode. Just click on the full feature mode button. So this is your Filmora screen. This is the area where we need to add the files which is required for our project. So this is the area. The right side area is the preview area. You can see the preview, the right side area. The bottom area is the place where the files will get added. The timeline screen. Okay. Now let's start. Click the import media files. Import media file. Now browse the location where you had placed your video. I had placed in this location. Okay. Now I am going with this video. Open. Now the file is added to this preview to this location. So just drag it down to the timeline. If not, just press add button. Press on the plus button, add to project, so it will get added to the timeline area. Now just click the play icon, so the video will be playing there. Now there is no audio. So you can see in this area, you can see the timeline. Now we will add the audio. Import media file, browse to your audio location. Okay, I'm going with this audio. Hope this will be matching with this video. Okay, now the audio file came to the media file folder. Just click on the add to project. So the file is added down. Now the file which is added is this came to little right side. Just push it to the left end. Drag it. Just by pressing, you can drag wherever you want. You can place it. So I am putting it to the first line. Okay. Now the audio is added. Just we will see the preview. The sound is huge, so what to do? We'll reduce the sound. Right click, edit, go to the volume. Here there is a volume. Just reduce the volume, how much ever you want. Then just click OK. This is play button and this is for full screen. So let's play. Put full screen. Press escape, pause it. Like this you can add several videos and audios to your file. Let's add another video file in continuation with this. Go to the import media file, go to the folder which you have kept the videos. Okay, let me add the squirrel video. Open. Video uploaded here. Just click. Before that, just move this pointer to the end location. Just drag it. Now just press add to project. So the video automatically will be coming to the end of the previous slide. Okay, here the audio is sufficiently, it is there in sufficient length, so no issue. So let's check it from the first. How is it? Just press full screen. Next video will be coming together with this. Now the next video started playing. We can add some transition for this. Just click in the transition. Just here there are some transition effects. You can select whatever you like. Now I am going to add this transition. Now the transition is added here. Just try with this transition effect. Just move the slider nearby it so that we can check immediately. Just press the play button. So this is the transition which we added. So there will be a smooth conversion from one video to the other video. After adding, you can reduce the audio file to the desired level which you want. Just drag it so that you can reduce. That's it. Now the video is ready. Hope this will be very useful to create videos. This is a very simple software. Okay, now we will export it. But before that, don't forget to save your file. I am going to save the file as Swan. Okay, now we have saved the file with the project file .wve Swan. Okay, now how to convert it to a video file? So I need to press this export button. Press the export. One dialog box will be opened. Select the desired phone model which you want. I had selected iPhone. Okay, put a file name swan _ squirrel. Put the name whatever you want. Go to the settings. Select the resolution. There are many resolutions. Whatever you want, you can select. If you want HD, go to the higher resolution. Bitrate, go to the higher. So it will come to the best. Bitrate, put it 160. But it will take some time to get saved. Just press OK. Export. Now your file is getting converted. So each line they will be showing as a preview here during the saving. So you can know which location it is getting saved now, through which slide it is running. So it will take some time, another 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video. Again at the end I will be continuing. Okay, the file is going to be completed. If you see in the back side, this is the resolution of the file which we selected. This is the size of your file and this is the duration. Okay, the file conversion has completed. Now just press find target. The video will be coming here. You no need to browse it. Just press enter. Let's see. So this is the wonderful video which we have created. So this is the transition which we give. This is how to create a simple video using Filmora. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.